In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sign up for Smartsheet account. To get started, you will be creating a new account so you can begin using Smartsheet right away. This process is quick, and if you follow along carefully, you will have everything set up in just a few minutes. First, go to the Smartsheet website. On screen, you should see the main homepage in your browser. Take a moment to make sure you are on the correct site before you proceed. This helps avoid signing up on the wrong page. If you are not sure, look for the Smartsheet branding on the page and confirm you are at the Smartsheet domain. Once the homepage loads, you are ready for the next action. Next, click the Try Free or Get Started button in the top right corner. This button is usually located near the upper area of the page, aligned to the right side. When you click it, the website will take you to the account creation flow. This step matters because it directs you to the sign-up form instead of keeping you on the general homepage. After you click the button, wait for the new page or pop-up to appear. The transition can take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Now, on the sign-up page, enter your work email address. Choose an email you regularly use for work or team communication, because you may need it later for account access and verification. As you type, pay attention to what the form accepts. Some sign-up forms specify that an email address must meet certain requirements. Fill in your email carefully, making sure there are no typos. Then proceed to follow the on-screen prompts, which guide you through the rest of the setup. After you enter your email, the next prompts will help you create your password and set up your account profile. The password setup step is important because it protects your account. You will typically be asked to create a secure password that meets the site's requirements. Those requirements may include having a minimum number of characters and combining different types of characters. Follow the on-screen rules exactly, and do not rush through this part. If the page shows guidance, use it to confirm your password is strong enough and accepted by the form. As you continue, you will also be asked to set up your account profile. This may include selecting options that describe how you plan to use Smartsheet. For example, the form may ask for your role, your organization details, or preferences that help personalize your experience. Follow the prompts as they appear. If there are multiple fields, move through them in order so you do not miss anything. If something is unclear, read each label carefully so you understand what each field is for. Once you complete the required fields, review what you entered before you submit. Even a small mistake, such as an incorrect email address, can slow you down later. Take a moment to check that your email is correct, that your password field has been filled properly, and that you have completed the profile information that the form asks for. After everything looks right, complete the sign-up submission on the page. The website may confirm that your account has been created successfully. At this point, you should be able to access your new Smartsheet account. Depending on the sign-up flow, you may also be prompted to verify your email address. If you see verification instructions, follow them to finish activation. Verification is a normal part of protecting your account and ensuring Smartsheet can confirm your details. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.